All right, now we're going to test out those divisibility rules that we've been learning about with some numbers here. So it's to circle all the numbers that are factors of the given number, complete any necessary work in the space provided to explain your reasoning for your choices. So we're looking at 2,838, and again, I am on page 82 in your math notes. We're looking if that number is divisible by 3, 9, and or 4. So it might be divisible by one of these, two of them, all three of them, or maybe even none of them. So to decide for 3, the rule is to add up the digits, the sum of the digits. So I need to take 2, add 8, and then add 3, and then add 8 to that. So I'm looking at 10 plus 8 is 18, 19, 20, 21. So the sum of the digits is 21, and since 21 is a multiple of 3, I'm going to say it is divisible by 3. My proof is the sum of the digits. Now for 9, the rule starts the same as the sum of the digits. We already know the sum of the digits is 21. 21, though, is not a multiple of 9, so 9 is not going to be, that number is not divisible by 9, meaning if we were to divide 2,838 by 9, we wouldn't get a whole number answer. We would have to have decimal. Now for 4, the rule for 4 is to look at the last two digits. The last two digits are 38. 38 is not a multiple of 4, so 4 is also not going to be a number that value is divisible by. So number 2 on page 82 starts with 34,515, and we have to decide if it's divisible by 3, 9, and 5. But right away I jump into 5 because 5 is pretty easy. That number ends in 5, and if it ends in 5 or 0, it's divisible by 5. The rule for 3, if I go back to the first one there, is the sum of the digits. So 33 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5. So I know 3 plus 4 is 7, 5 and 1 is 6, and then 5 more would be 11. 7 plus 11, the sum of the digits is 18. And since that sum, 18, is divisible by 3, I can use 3. 9 also uses the sum of the digits, which is 18, and 18 is also a multiple of 9. So for number 2, it's actually divisible by all three of those numbers, 3, 9, and 5. So on page 82, you're now going to complete, my numbering is a little off here, question 1 and 2, the second two, number 1 and number 2 on page 82.